Greetings everyone and welcome to this new video in this series on how to perform statistical data analysis in R for complete beginners. In this video, we will have a look at what packages are, how to load them, and how to get help for certain functions or the entire package right here in RStudio. So packages are codes written by authors which help to dramatically enhance the analytic capabilities which a user may get in R. It is always a good practice to write your code in a script file. The install.packages function helps to install packages in question. Here we will be installing package read Excel, which helps to load Excel sheets into R. Code in scripts can be run using the run function or just pressing Control and enter. Now, since I have already installed the read Excel package, I won't be installing the package, but I will, however, be loading read Excel by using the library function in R. And once I run the code, R will automatically load the library, and now I will be easily be able to import a data set by using the read Excel function in R. What if I want to get more information on what this package is, how to cite this package, and so on and so forth? The help function will, by prefixing a query or a question mark and then writing the package name in front of it, will help us to get more information and a description about this package. If we want to get more information on what the read underscore Excel function is, we can similarly write the function name in front of a query. And here we will be easily able to see how to use this function and also examples for this function. Thanks for watching.